This Realty ONE Group Select property video is presented by Rick Carter. This is it. You must see this beautifully renovated, move-in ready, open floor plan, full brick home in the heart of Enderly Park. New is the key word here. New windows, gutters, West/H, luxury vinyl plank flooring, new bathrooms with tiles shower/bath combos, new kitchen, quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, entire home electrical rewire with new lights throughout. Upgraded plumbing. All of this on over 1/4 acre lot. Just 3 minutes from Blue Blaze Brewery, Midnight Mulligans, Summit Seltzer, and Seversville Park. 7 minutes to Uptown, Solo, and Bank of America Stadium. Photos coming June 29. Awesome Airbnb.